Are you tired of spending hours manually removing backgrounds of your images? Say goodbye to tedious selections and say hello to Aiarty Image Matting, the cutting-edge AI tool that delivers perfect, high-quality cutouts in seconds. So why choose Aiarty Image Matting? The first reason is that it is one-click background removal, which means it will let AI do all the hard work. Just click and it starts removing the background for you. Second, it has the ability to remove hair and fine detail accurately. Third, it can do batch processing, which means you can edit multiple images at once. Last but not least, it doesn't require advanced editing skills, which means even if you are a novice designer or editor, you can make use of this app and it can remove the background from the image for you quickly and professionally. So to get the app, you just have to go to its official website. All the links are in the description. You can check it out. So you just go to this website, click to download free trial and test the app. If you like it, you can come back to purchase it later. After you download and install the app, just open it. I have it right here. This is the look of the app. So in order to remove the background from any image that you have, just drag and drop the image onto this, or you click here to locate the image. For me, I just drag and drop this image right here. So once again, you can do one single image or multiple images. Just drag and drop it there. You have multiple images. And on the right side, starting from the top, you can see they make use of hardware. You could select CPU or GPU. It depends on what hardware your computer has. For me, I'm using iMac. It has a CPU, not a GPU, so I select CPU. For AI model, if you want to learn how each of these performs, you can select on this question mark icon right here. It will show you the description of each AI model. For me, I would stick with this one, Edge Clear version 2. And down here, we have a feature called Edit. You can also use AI Enhanced. You can upscale it as well, or just leave it to the way it is. You can even rotate this image if you want to. Like here, this one here, you can flip the image like so, or up and down like that. The next feature is AI Detect. You can click here to start detecting AI. Right now it detects that there's human in the image and also animals, so AI can detect that too. And you can also manually select the area where you want the background to be removed. And refinement. For refinement, you can also click each of these features like smooth processing, outline, emphasis, or balance brightness. Let's tick all of this. For the export settings and the format, you can select between 16-bit or 8-bit. The extension is PNG. The level, you can also adjust it. And once everything is ready, you can start removing the background by clicking on this start button right here for it to use AI inference. Let's click on start here. As you can see there, it removes the background. This bird is still there, but unfortunately the other bird is gone. But the human, it's really good at detecting human and it's still there. I'll try this one. Okay, you can see that the second image has its background removed. Look at the hair there. Still look good. It does a great job with removing the background. Let's try with the third image. Okay, you can see once again the background has been removed. So if your target is to remove the background and leave the humans or people there, then this is going to be the great app for you. Now as you can see, it can successfully remove the background from all of these three images successfully. And with the background removed, you can also replace it with a new background. By clicking here, you can put any background you want or select your own background. Move the image up and down. It's really cool. So you don't actually have to have a professional editing skill. You just use this and edit the photo background to the way you like it. You can select to have it effect like this, or original, or GBA, or turn it into green background. You can replace the green background with something else in the future. Let me just stick with this. So each of these images You can save the image without the background or add the background to it directly on this app if you want to. And down here for the output path, you can select to save where you want it to be. For example, let me choose desktop. Click on open. Now it changed the output path to desktop. And below that you can see you can do single export or batch export. Single export, of course, you export each of these images individually. But if you want to do all 3 images export at the same time, you select on batch export, which is what I'm going to do now. So after I'm happy with these images, I click on batch export. And now it starts exporting. You just sit tight and wait. Okay, now it's done. So what it exports here for you is not just one, but in 3 or 4 different styles. For example, this one is with green background. It also exports with the blank background here, or with the effect. You can see the quality of the image is still HD quality. If your image, the original image, is high quality image, the export also high quality image. And this one here, at the moment I select its news background, it also saved with that format. It also saved with the one without background. And this one here as well. This one have green background, white background, and effect background. So because I ticked for it to actually import that, that's why I actually import all of this. So if you want it to actually import all of it, you just tick on all of this. And this tool will always come naturally when you export. It will export these two for you. Whether you're editing product photos, creating social media content, or designing stunning visuals, Aiarty Image Matting gives you professional grade results with almost zero effort. So once again, if you like the app, all the links are in the description. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to help our channel grow. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next video.